Cancer vaccine. Those two words together are enough to stop you in your tracks, but a local company has done just that, turning tumors into beacons so a patient's body can fight off the disease itself. Morphogenesis is a cell and gene therapy company. Their mission is to change the way chronic diseases are treated by engaging the innate intelligence of the body. They're starting with skin cancers.
Basically, we're taking all of the smarts of the immune system of the body and bringing it to bear on a person's tumor. So what we do is basically put a bacterial gene. It's not a bacteria, it's not a live bacteria, it's a single gene that we put into a patient's tumor cells. This is expressed as a protein on the surface of the tumor cells, like a beacon, if you will, and it brings in the immune system. And once the immune system sees our bacterial beacon, it can then expose all of the patient's tumor antigens that are in that person's tumor.
Lahman said this universal approach could be used for basically any type of cancer. It's a therapeutic vaccine compared to a preventative kind that we normally think of for an infectious disease. The vaccine still needs to go through clinical trials, so it's a few years off from going mainstream. Morphogenesis is now starting out testing in humans.
So we're starting out small. Our first in human is 6 patients. This will be testing our vaccine alone and in melanoma. And then our next study will be for Merkel and squamous cell. That will be 20 patients testing our vaccine alone. And then starting next year, we'll be having a phase 2 study, which will be then 160 patients. And we'll be testing all 3 of those diseases, our vaccine plus probably a checkpoint inhibitor.
Lahman is confident the vaccine will lead to positive results.
And we treated a number of companion animals with naturally occurring disease, so we're confident that the safety profile of this vaccine will carry over then to humans. So it's really a long development process for any product, and we added a few steps along the way. But now that we're into humans, then we can start thinking about the different types of diseases that we want to eventually treat.
In addition to developing a possibly life-saving cancer vaccine, Morphogenesis also employs graduates from local colleges such as USF. In Tampa, Daisy Ruth, 8 on your side.